Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 A35 AMG 4MATIC. This one's a digital white metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbo with 302 horsepower and 295 pounds of torque, paired with a 7-speed DCT automatic transmission. For wheels, we've got 18-inch twin 5-spoke wheels with black accents. This one does come with the AMG Night package with black accents on the front, side, and rear. Turbo 4MATIC badging on the side. A black MB Tex Dynamico with red stitching interior. AMG's design trim in black and silver. Panorama sunroof. Rear spoiler. AMG A35 badging. Open up the tailgate, we got a clean set of all season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Heated seats, memory seats, Burmeister sound system. Touchpad steering wheel controls, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Touchscreen media display. This one does come with MBUX, which is Mercedes artificial intelligence. You can give it simple voice commands like a smart device by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes,
how may I help you?
Turn heated seats on."
I'm switching on the seat heating.
Simple as that. You're able to give it a voice command like a smart device. Dual climate controls, wireless charging, touchpad for infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This 8035 has 6,503 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this A35 4MATIC AMG, check out feldmanimports.com.